from purchasing an empty lot of land into having our dream house in the Philippines, which I'll be giving a tour of in this video. This whole build has been a very long project of ours that I have been sharing with you in this series. I'll just refresh you quickly on where we're up to now. As I mentioned, we started with an empty field. We initially had a gated wall compound built, then a bamboo hut that we had electricity fitted to. We then got our own water source and had a garage built for storage, before finally having a shell of a house built, which was designed by ourselves. The electricity was first fitted to the house. We also had it rendered both inside and out, making the house a sturdy shell that should be able to last, as there's nothing on it that can really be damaged. And that's basically where we're up to now. We've been really taking our time with this project, as we don't want to rush it, which definitely seems like the sensible thing to do, bearing in mind the land was bought back in 2021 and the building process starting with the wall has been ongoing since 2022, at least on and off, with some breaks in between. Once again, we are now having a break on this build. We're in the process of saving up before we can do any more work. And especially since the house is essentially just a rendered sealed shell at the moment, we should be able to leave it as it is right now without anything really going wrong. I'm also not actually in the Philippines right now, rather living in the UK. So there is a pause right now on this project. Because of this, it now seems like the perfect point to give a house tour, which I did do last before leaving the Philippines. I hope you enjoy this tour. So starting Salamat. Got like the porch area here, all been rendered, so a lot of din. And then we go into like this lobby area inside, and then in the future, you can see this is like landing. It'll be where the stairs are in the future. Well, if we have like a second level. Tapos pasok sa living area, main living area. Then you like sala dito, tapos may kusina dito. This would be like where the sink is with a window. And then this would be like the living room area. So this is our, like, anong tawag yan? Fuse. Yeah, this is where the fuse box will be. And then there's a side door for the garden, which is out here, where we've got our own kubo. Yeah, so yan ang kubo namin. And that's the back of the house. Papasok ulit. And then we'll go here, which is, well, first of all here, nasa kabilang hagdan in the future, so this will just be like a storage space with a door here, and it'll be like underneath where the stairs are. But there'll be some storage there, and then this is the CR, or bathroom. Obviously this couldn't be rendered, and they haven't done the first fixing yet. And then this is the main bedroom, which is quite a big open room again. Yeah, so that is the downstairs, and then we've got a plan for the upstairs as well. We've done like the first fix. First fix is for the electricity, you can see here. And then if I go back out to the front, there's still some leftover rebars from the build. If I go to the front garden, we've got like this storage place here, which is where we were storing the materials when the house was being built. And we've got a bomba for water. And this is where the electricity was connected. Well, it was originally connected in the kubo, but then moved here because that was the cheapest way of doing it. If you get the electricity before you build a house, you pay less for the installation and less tax, which is legal, by the way. You can do that and then build a house after. But the electricity was cut because we didn't pay it, which is fine, because when we need it in the future, we can just, I don't think there's a lot to get it back. We have to pay the fee to get us reconnected again. So I'll flip back over to the front of the house. Yeah, so yan ang bahay namin. Yeah, so thanks for watching this Very quick tour, there wasn't too much to show. But yeah, it's coming along well. Everything you've seen so far is exactly where we're up to now. There's still a lot of work needed before anyone can live at this house. We need the plumbing doing, a kitchen done, along with of course doors and windows being fitted. As I mentioned earlier, we are now having a break from this project. So unfortunately this will be the last video about our house build for a while, at least until we start up again. Be sure to check out the other videos in this house building series to see exactly how we got to this point. I'll leave the playlist for this series in the outro screen for anyone that's interested, so you can click on that at the end of the video. So yeah, that's basically everything I have to say about our Philippines house build, up until now at least. If you enjoyed this video and series, be sure to give the video a like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.